Hello there. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can have a tactical phone number on your site. So, whenever someone click on the phone number, it will initiate the calling functionality from a device. It's fairly easy, so let's do it. First, you need to log into your WordPress admin panel. Under Appearance, click Customize. On the next window, you will find all the available functionalities. Click the site info. Based on your theme, you can have contact text or phone number or both. We will show you both of them. First, click the contact text, and here you will find an option to enable or disable this section, and then the code itself. Also, we have put some code example here, and here you see we have the phone number twice here. But here we did not put any space or any other special characters between the numbers. But here we can put the special characters like dashes or brackets, okay? And it will ensure that your phone number is a tactical phone number. Then we will move to the phone number itself. And here you will find the option to enable or disable this section, then the phone number itself, and here you see we are allowed to use any special character, dashes or spaces, but here we do not need to put any special character or spaces between the numbers. So all the numbers should not have any spaces or any special characters between them. Then the description and option to upload an icon. And as always, when you are happy with the changes, don't forget to click the publish button to save the changes. And that's all. Thanks for watching.